In this video, let us look into converting radian measures to degree measures. Basically, we'll have maybe a couple of 3 to 4 radian measures of angles, and we have to convert them to the degree measures, what we are going to do in this video. So let us look into one of the examples. We've got 2 pi by 15 radians. So we have to convert this radian measure into the degree measure. So what do we have to do? So, we have 1 radian equal to 180 divided by pi degrees. So 1 radian equals 180 by pi degrees. Then 2 pi by 15 radians equals 2 pi by 15 times 180 divided by pi degrees. The pi and pi gets cancelled, and 15 goes 12 times in 180, and 2 times 12 equals 24. So 2 pi by 15 radians equals 24 degrees. So this is how you convert radian measures to degree measures. All you have to know is that 1 radian equals 180 divided by pi degrees, and all you have to do is just multiply the given radian measure by 180 by pi degrees, and then there you have the degree measure of the corresponding radian measure. So let's quickly look into another one. So we have here pi by 8 radians, and how do we convert this? All that we have to do is pi by 8 radians equals pi by 8 times 180 divided by pi degrees. The pi gets cancelled, and we have 4 times 2 goes in this, and 4 times 45, right? So what we have is 45 by 2 degrees, which is equal to 22.5 degrees. Or we can further write this as 22.5 degree. 1 degree equals 60 minutes, right? So half a degree is going to be equal to 30 minutes. So we can write this as 22 degrees 30 minutes. So pi by 8 radians is 22 degrees 30 minutes in degree measure. So that's how we convert a radian into degree. Let us quickly do another one before we conclude this. We've got 6 radian. Well, it's pretty simple now. 6 radian. All that you have to do is multiply 6 times 180 divided by pi. Right now, since the radian here doesn't have a pi, so you can't cancel the pi. So 6 radians equals 6 times 180 divided by pi degrees. We have to substitute the value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7, the 7 is going to come in the numerator, divided by 22. That's how it's going to be. So we have 2 times 3 and 2 times 11. So this is equal to 3780 divided by 11 degrees, or it is equal to 343 7 by 11 degrees. You just have to divide this and convert it into a mixed fraction. That's all, and you get 343 7 by 11 degrees. Now you can either stop at this mixed fraction, or you can show this in terms of minutes and seconds as well. Degrees, minutes, and seconds. Now all that you have to do to convert this 7 by 11 into minutes is, now we've got 343 degrees and 7 by 11 degrees. 343 7 by 11 degrees it is. So 343 degrees is a whole, but 7 by 11 is not whole. To convert that, we just have to multiply it by 60 minutes, because 1 degree equals 60 minutes and 7 by 11 degrees is going to be equal to, so we have 7 by 11 degrees. We need to convert this into minutes. So 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So 7 by 11 into 60 equals 420 by 11. So we can write this as 343 degrees and 420 divided by 11 minutes. To get a further whole number of minutes and a whole number of seconds, all that you have to do is now divide this 420 by 11. Write it as a mixed fraction. You get 11 3 times 33, and you have 90, and 11 8 times is 88, You've got this. So it's 38 2 by 11, right? So here what you can do is you can write 343 degrees, and you can write 38 minutes. 2 by 11 minutes again. You can write this. Now you have to convert 2 by 11 to seconds. Now you've got degrees, minutes, and seconds. So 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Therefore, you have to do this. So you have 2 by 11 into 60, which is equal to 120 divided by 11, right? So 120. Now you can't go further than this. So you have to like freeze here. So 120 by 11 is approximately equal to 10.9. It is exactly equal to 10.9. Let's approximate it to 11. So that becomes 11 seconds. So this gets converted to 343 degrees, 38 minutes, and 11 seconds. So that is how you convert, a mixed fraction like this into a proper degree, minute, second kind of a formula. So this is also a degree, definitely a degree measure. So this is how you convert 6 radians to degree, which is equal to 343 degrees, 38 minutes, and 11 seconds. Let me quickly take you through the conversion part. Now, all that you have to do to convert 6 radians into degrees is just multiply 6 by 180 by pi. That becomes degrees. And when you simplify, you end up at 3780 by 11 degrees. Well, you can stop here, but, well, to be really precise, to be really purely degree measure, you really have to convert this. So when you convert this, you get the mixed fraction, which is 343 degrees, 7 by 11 degrees. So now 343 degrees is fine, but you have to convert 7 by 11 degrees into minutes, right? 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So just multiply 7 by 11 into 60, which gives you 420 divided by 11. Now it becomes 343 degrees, 420 by 11 minutes. Now again, you cannot have this like this. You can definitely go on and have a second. So just divide 420 by 11. If it was a whole number, if 420 was divisible by 11, or if 11 could divide 420 perfectly, there would be no need for seconds. But since it doesn't, you have a mixed fraction here, and the quotient becomes a minute, and whatever is remaining is converted to seconds, and approximately it was 2 by 11, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 2 by 11 times 60, which gives you 120 by 11, which is approximately equal to 11, because 11 times 11 is 121. It's just short of 1. So it's no problem. You can write it as 11 seconds. So that is how you convert 6 radians to degree measure, where we get 343 degrees, 38 minutes, and 11 seconds. So this video concludes here. This ends the converting radian measures to degree measures. In the forthcoming videos, let us solve problems based on converting degree measures to radian measures.